Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your EA games on PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, click on Library at the left hand side. This will show you all the games you have installed. Look for the game you want to update. If the update is available, you will easily see a small down arrow or a message that says update available on the game's picture. To update, simply right click on the game and select update. The app will start downloading the latest update automatically. If you want the app to update your games automatically in the future, click the three lines at the top left of your screen. Now click on settings. After that, tap on application. Download. Now enable update game automatically. This way all your games will update automatically whenever a new version is released. And that's it. Just open the EA app, go to my collection, right click your game and select update or turn on automatic update to keep your games always up to date. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.